This is Mathcast number 2. The intended audience is grade 2. The learning objective is to use math drawings to represent addition with up to 2 compositions and relate drawings to a written method. Module 4, Topic D, Lesson 20, created by Kaylee Roberts. Let's get started by looking at some vocab words. Our first word is addition, which is to combine or put together 2 or more quantities. When we look at our picture, we see that we have 10 units, which is represented by our long, being added to 4 single units. And we see this written vertically as 10 plus 4. When we're adding numbers that are written vertically, we're going to look at our ones place first. And we have 0 plus 4. And we know that anything plus 0 is that same value. So we're just going to write a 4 in our ones place. Since there's only one 10 in our tens place, we're going to bring that down and put it in front of the 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14 altogether. Our next word is equation, which is a mathematical statement representing that 2 quantities have the same value. 4 equals 2 plus 2 is an equation, because on the left side of the equal side we have 4. And the same value is on the right side, it's just written different. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we have 4 on this side and 4 on that side. That's the same for 3 plus 1 equals 4. We have 4 on this side, 4 on that side. They're equal. Same as 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2. We know that 3 plus 1 is 4, and we also know that 2 plus 2 is 4, and they are also equal. Our next word is compose, or what we usually say bundle, which is to put together from basic parts. We can see here 10 units being composed or bundled into one long. If we look at this first problem, it says solve vertically. Draw trips on the place value chart and bundle when needed. We're going to start by putting 23 in our place value chart. We know that 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. Next, let's put 57. We know that that is 5 tens and 7 ones. Let's count how many ones we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that we can't write 10 in our ones place. So let's bundle our ones together. And we have 10 of them, which means that they're going to shift into our tens place. And we're going to put one circle there. It's the same as if we had 10 single units, and that becomes one long. Now let's count our tens place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that we have 8 tens and 0 ones. Now let's write this vertically. We have 7 plus 3, so 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to put a 0 in our ones place, and we're going to carry the 1 over to our tens place because we made another bundle of 10. And when we add our tens together, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens, 0 ones. In all 3 of these methods, we can see that 23 plus 57 equals 80. Let's try this second problem. 68 plus 88. First, let's put our 68 in our place value chart. We know that we have 6 tens. We know that we have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 88, we know that we have 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add this together by first bundling our ones. We know that there's more than 10 ones, so we need to take 10 of them and bundle them together and put it in our tens place. So let's take, we know that there's 8 here and we need 2 more. And this will go over into the tens place. We know that there are more than 10 dots in our tens place, which means we need to bundle it up and put it into our 100s place. So let's take 10 of our tens and move it over to our 100s. We see that we have 1 in our hundreds place, 5 in our tens place, and 6 in our ones place. That means 156. When we look at this vertically, we're going to add 8 and 8, which is 16. So we're going to put a 6 in our ones and carry the tens over to our tens place. When we add our tens, we have 15. So we'll put a 5 in our tens place and a 1 in our 100s place. And we bring down the 1 because there's no other hundreds it's being added to. And in all 3 of these examples, we see that 68 plus 88 is 156. This next question says, Jessica's teacher marked her work incorrect for the following problem. Jessica cannot figure out what she did wrong. Explain where Jessica made a mistake. Since there's only 9 ones in the ones place, we didn't have to bundle anything. And when we look at our tens, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which means you bundle them up and put them in the 100s, which she did correct. What Jessica forgot to do was put a 0 in her tens place. We do have 1 100, but we also have 0 tens, and we have to put the 0 in our tens place to keep the place value. And then we also have 9 ones. So 77 plus 32 is 109, not 19. She made the same mistake when solving this problem vertically. 7 plus 2 is 9, but 7 plus 3 is 10. So it should say 109. For the answer for this problem, we can say when Jessica was bundling her tens, she forgot to put a 0 in her tens place value.